This is the weather forecast video for Friday, February 25th, 2011. Let's first take a look at a water vapor satellite picture from earlier last evening. You can see some large thunderstorms over the southeastern part of the country up into the Ohio Valley. Over the state of Iowa, some light to moderate snow was falling over the southern part of the state. The watch warning map, this was taken at about 11 o'clock last night. You can see winter weather advised and winter storm warnings over Iowa into Missouri and eastward. Tornado watches down in the southern part of the country. QPF chart, this is for the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 p.m. You can see the heaviest precipitation will be from to the south of the state and to the east. Will include several storms over the next few days. This is the 500 millibar chart of the GFS model run at noon today, noon Friday. You can see a zonal flow over the country with separate storms to the east and west. Down below at the surface, you can see that one storm that was over us last night is now off to the east. A new one is to the west with some flurries or light snow possible by late in the evening. This is Saturday at noon. You can see some light snow over the state at that time, maybe an inch or so of accumulation on Saturday. By Sunday, warmer air has moved in. You can see the 540 line is now at the Iowa-Minnesota border, a low over about Dodge City, Kansas, so rain is possible by then. Here's Monday morning at midnight. You can see that trough is now moved into Kansas and Oklahoma. And down at the surface, you can see a low is over southwestern Missouri. Colder air is now moving into the state, so some rain will be changing to snow overnight, Sunday night into Monday morning. Heavy accumulations could be possible. As that storm moves away Monday at noon, some light snow is possible as colder air wraps around, so there could be some advisories or watches or warnings from that storm. By Thursday, you can see a warm front is moving back through the state as warmer air moves in. Some rain or snow possible in the northern part of the state into Minnesota. As we head off into Voodoo territory, this is next Friday evening, March 4th, a trough just to the west of the state. And down below that, you can see some low pressure centers in Missouri and down in Oklahoma. Some rain and snow possible then. Will be right on the border. And here's Tuesday, March 8th. You can see another trough just west of the state at the surface. A low over about Garden City, Kansas. Warm air over the state, so some rain with some snow possible just to the north. And at the end of the forecast period, March 12th, you can see a trough out over the west and over New England, zonal flow over the middle of the country. At the surface, you can see some possible precipitation over the state of Iowa, so it'll be fairly active over the next 2 weeks. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.